Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page will enter to Twitter. Here in this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.